Welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we're building a DIY interchangeable frame. Things you'll need for this project are a cordless drill, an assortment of drill bits, stain with a rag, tape measure, some 1/4 inch screws, a 12-inch by 12-inch craft panel, 1/2 inch thick, a piece of art you'd like to hang, a sheet of clear acrylic, as well as an acrylic cutter. Now, since we're going to be staining, it's always important to put some sort of cloth down, or paper in our case, to prevent stain from getting on our work surface. Choose the side of the board you like, we like this one, and then apply stain liberally all over the board. For this project, we thought it'd be a good idea if our clear acrylic sheet was 11 by 11 while the board stayed 12 by 12. Giving us a 1/2 inch wood border on all sides. We then marked our acrylic sheet at 11 inches, pressed a straight edge into place, then using the acrylic cutting tool, scored the acrylic. It's important to go slow on the first pass, and then for the additional 6 passes, just speed it up. To snap it where you've made your score marks, place the acrylic on a flat surface, move it to the edge, and then push down to break along the snap line. Now repeat this process one more time to get your complete 11 by 11 square. And perfect, that's just what we were looking for. Next up, we made some minor modifications to our art. Now we're going to mark where our screws go. We settled on a 1/4 inch from each corner. After you've made your marks using a drill bit, slowly pre-drill holes. Make sure you go slow because acrylic will crack. So go slow. Next up, we drilled small pilot holes for the screws to go in. Since acrylic can be very brittle, we opted to screw it in by hand. And that's it, you're done. For all the products used in this video, check the description below, and we'll see you next time on Dimensions DIY.